To move the manual car, what we need to do is sit on the driver's seat, adjust your seat to suit your comfortability, set your mirrors, and then you fasten your seat belt. After you fasten the seat belt, bring the gear lever to the neutral position. Press on full clutch and brake. Switch on the key to observe your instrumental panel. And then the third one, continue turning the key clockwise downwards till you hear a continuous sound. You have started the car. Now you want to move the car. As a very good defensive driver, to move your car, what you need to do is to scan the environment. Using your interior mirrors, your side mirrors, forward, the windscreen, everything, you scan the environment. And then ask yourself whether you have to move forward or backward. And if I'm to move forward, there is a hazard. I can't move forward. That is a glass. So I need to move backwards. And to move backwards, I'll hold my gear lever, hit it to my right hand stream end, and pull it downwards. That is for the reverse gear. Now, I'll start lifting the leg. I'll hold the gear lever like this. I want to go backwards. Hit it to my right hand stream end and go down. Then that is my reverse gear. Then I'll bring the handbrake down. There's a handbrake. Then start lifting the leg from the clutch little by little to the biting point. When you get to the biting point, the sound of the car will change and vibration will come in. At that point, you lift your leg from the brake pedal, the car will be moving slowly. You move your leg from the brake pedal, the car will be moving slowly. This is how we move the car in a reverse way. If I'm moving forward, I'll do the same thing. I'll move the gear lever to first, and then I'll start lifting my left leg from the clutch little by little to the biting point. Then I take my leg from the brake pedal, then the vehicle will start taking motion, and I'll hold it like this. Then if I want to stop, I'll press on full clutch and brake. This is what we call moving, stopping on a level ground. Thank you very much for watching my episode, my YouTube channel. Continue to watch, like, subscribe, and share.